Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about static method. Before Java 8 came into the market, static method already existed in Java. The only change that came in Java 8 is that from Java 8 onwards, we can use static method inside an interface. Before we are going to see what is the purpose behind that, why Java 8 people introduced static method inside an interface. First, we are going to see that how we are going to write a static method inside an interface and how we are going to call it. So let's start. To understand the implementation of static method, we are going to take an interface. Let's take the interface name check. We already know how to write a static method. We will use access modifier, after that static keyword, then return type, then method name, after method name function parenthesis, and inside function parenthesis we are going to write arguments if we need. If we don't need, then we will not write arguments, and inside open, after that we will provide open brace and close brace, and inside open brace and close brace we will write our own function implementation. So in this example we will take access modifier as public, static keyword, return type, this time it will take void only, we are not going to return anything, and method name, let's say display. Function parenthesis. In this example we don't need any arguments, so we will not provide any arguments, and here we are going to write our implementation. So we will just display a simple statement. Let's say static method inside an interface. So I have written a static method. Now another question is how we are going to call a static method. The answer of this question is we are going to call a static method in this method with the help of interface name dot method name. So let's do that. Interface name is check dot display method. Now execute this code. Now we can see the output static method inside an interface. After that, another question comes, why Java 8 people introduced static method inside an interface? To understand this concept, what we will do, inside an interface we will take one abstract method. Let's say public void add. Here we are going to take two values, int a and int b, and in the end it will be add those two values, int a, int b. And here in this class we are going to implement this interface, and we will return a plus b. Every time before we are going to start this add operation, we are going to make a statement that addition is now going to start. How we are going to do that? We are going to do that with the help of a static method. Inside this static method we will write an statement like addition of two values. So let's call static method first. We know how to call a static method, interface name dot method name. So check dot display method, and after that we are going to call this add operation. How we are going to call? First of all, we will create a reference with the help of a new operator. So what we have done, with the help of a new operator, we have created a static method example reference, and with the help of a static method example reference, we are calling this operation and providing two values 10 and 20. Now let's execute this code. So we can see that first we are calling static method that is saying addition of two values, and after that we are doing the operation. So from this example we can understand that the main reason Java 8 people introduced static method inside an interface to provide utility methods perform common reused functions, or every time we are executing any certain type of operations, then this static method will execute and will provide a statement this operation is going to happen, or you are using different operations in different classes, and before that you are going to provide some sort of transactions related informations or logging time with how much time that person logged in, logged out. This type of things we can do with the help of static method. That's why static method was implemented in Java 8 to provide utility methods. Now after this, one more question comes. We can see that we have written implements check. We are implementing this interface. So people often ask questions, so can't we override static method? The answer of this question is no, we can't override static method. We will try to understand this with the help of an example. What we will do, we will just copy this into static method and we will just remove we will try to execute this code. The answer is again addition of two values and add 30, because the only way to call a static method inside an interface is with the help of interface name dot method name and dot method name. And if any static method is implemented inside an interface, that means we can't override that static method. We can see that we are calling this interface method with the help of interface name dot method name, and if we are wanted to call this method, then we are going to use static method example dot method name. Let's execute. Addition of two values for check dot display, and after that we have called static method example inside class with the help of static method example dot display method. From this example we can understand that overriding concept will not be applicable if we are using static method inside an interface. Okay, now there is one more important point we need to discuss. Before Java 8 came into the market, we can't execute interface file. The reason behind that interface file don't generate .class files, but after static method came into the market, we can execute interface files. How? Let's see that. Let's remove this part of the code. This one also. This check interface name we will change with the static method example. Let's change the name and remove this code. Now we have only created an interface without a static method. Now we can see that we have removed everything except the interface name, and here we are going to write a static main method. So let's write public static void main. Now let's write a statement. So we have written a statement main method implementation inside an interface. Now let's execute this code. The output came main method inside an interface. So we can see that from Java 8 onwards we can execute interface file also. So Now, what are the things that we learned in this video? We learned about static methods, how we are going to write it, how we are going to call it, and overriding concept is not applicable if we are writing static method inside an interface. And also we learned that from Java 8 onwards, we can execute interface file. This is the end of this video tutorial. In the next video, we are going to talk about predefined functional interfaces. So keep watching Java 8. Thank you.